Good morning and welcome to my closet. My name is Heidi Gammill. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I like to come in here on Wednesdays and make sure my closet is clean and organized. I call that bringing it back to start, so that as we move into the weekend and everything gets super busy, my closet is a really safe, wonderful place where I don't get any angst, I don't get overwhelmed. Everything is already set and in place, so welcome. So I want to talk about one of my boxes. I've talked about it before, but it's coming in super handy today. It's called Dirty Work Box, and I have in there 2 outfits that are for dirty work. The thing about it is they are clothes that I love. They are clothes that fit, and they're clothes that I don't mind getting dirty in. So when you are clearing out your closet and maybe you're like, I'm not wearing this, I'm getting rid of it, maybe it's worn, consider if it might be a good dirty work outfit. Because, okay, so today I'm gonna do dirty work. I put this on and I'm like, ah, these are my favorite pants. And this is one of my favorite shirts, but this one got stained and these got paint on them. And so I'm excited to go do dirty work today because I have on clothes that I love and that fit and that are comfortable, and that even though I'm gonna do dirty work, I'm still gonna look good. So I have 2 sets. The other set is super, super duper like for painting. And so I highly encourage that you curate some dirty work clothes so that you look great when you're doing dirty work. They fit and you enjoy wearing them. Just a little tip. Let's see, what else is going on? I did hair wash today. And you know, these last couple of years, I've talked a lot about no poo, and I wonder if you tried it. It's the process of using baking soda and apple cider vinegar to wash your hair. Well, that process led to brushing of the hair, which led to realizing how curly my hair is, which has been such an amazing journey. It has also led to the fact that I only wash my hair about every 14 days, which saves me so much time. So save time, check. Save money, check. I wonder if you tried it. I use this favorite lustrous hair oil when I'm done washing it, and just to moisturize the ends just a tiny little bit. And I'll just let it air dry. And that's just, this journey has been so much fun. The hair journey, the closet journey, it's all just so much fun. And I'm wondering if you've tried any of it. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Choose your dirty work outfit. Set it aside, and when you have those days when you're gonna go work in the yard, do some gardening, you need to paint, or you're starting your spring cleaning, you can put on dirty work clothes and feel really good about it. That's my tip for today. If you go into the link in my bio, there is a free download how to reduce the amount of chemicals or toxins that you use in your beauty routine, and it talks about the no poo method. So if you haven't tried it, check it out there, and I hope you have a fantastic day.